Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to give your Roblox avatar a fresh new look right from your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to customize your avatar in the Roblox mobile app, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Roblox app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your avatar options. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the avatar icon. This icon usually looks like a little person and will take you straight to your avatar's wardrobe and customization area. Now, you'll see a menu with different categories. Here's where the fun begins. Decide what you want to edit. You can tap on body to change your avatar's shape, skin tone, or even facial expressions. If you're in the mood to change up your outfit, tap on clothing to browse through shirts, pants, and more. Want to add some flair? Tap accessories to check out hats, glasses, backpacks, and other cool extras. Once you've picked a category, scroll through your available items. See something you like? Just tap on it, and you'll instantly see how it looks on your avatar. You can mix and match different items to create a style that's totally your own. Don't worry about making mistakes. If you don't like how something looks, just tap a different item to try it on instead. When you're happy with your new look, your changes are saved automatically. That means your avatar will be ready to show off in all your favorite Roblox games right away. And that's it. Customizing your Roblox avatar on mobile is super easy and a great way to express your personality. Go ahead and experiment with different styles and let your creativity shine. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.